Hi friends, this video shows how to block or disable ads. Go to settings, tap on the settings app icon, then go down, tap on security and privacy, go down, tap on more privacy settings, tap here, and here you can see send diagnostic data. Turn off this option, tap here, then unselect this, tap on OK, done. Then turn off this option, Android personalization service. Let me turn off, tap here, done. Then tap on Android system intelligence, tap here, tap on clear data, tap on all time, tap on clear data, done. So this way we can clear data stored by Android system intelligence. Then tap on activity controls, go down, first turn off web and app activity. It's already off. By default this would be on. We have to turn off like this. Go down, then turn off timeline. It's already off. Go down, then turn off YouTube history. In this phone YouTube history is on. We can tap on turn off and turn off YouTube history. Go down, then turn off personalized ads. In this phone this option is on. We can tap here and turn off. Done. Go back, then tap on ads, tap here, go down. Here you can see advertising ID. Google stores data and activities against this ID. Then Google may use this data to show ads. We can reset this ID and clear all data stored by Google. We can use this option, reset advertising ID. Tap here, tap on confirm. See, it has created new ID. This way we can delete and create new ID. Go back, then go to usage and diagnostics, tap here, then tap here and turn off this. Done. You can make all these changes. That way you would be able to block or disable ads. Please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.